Hello and welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. Today I'm with Jethro and his friend and his daughter. We traveled to a different city, met up, had lunch, and now we arrived at a mountain. Where are we?
The city called Jiangmen,
Okay.
yeah, Guangdong province. This place called 这是哪个地方？
杜软镇，赤石山。
Oh my god, Duran town.
Okay.
赤石 mountain.
Ah,
Now
okay.
we'll visit a temple, Guanyin temple.
Okay, yeah, so we're kind of walking up the steps. And we're going to a temple.
Buddha temple, just for one Buddha.
Okay. Yeah, and then basically our mission is to go to the top.
Yeah, go to the top.
Do you have enough energy to get to the top?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, me too. We just ate a big lunch and now like we're sleepy. So we made it to the top of a couple stairs, and at the top we have all kinds of unique, I don't know, what are they? Just temples?
Yeah.
Why so many? Why not like one temple?
This is a Chinese. I mean, it's always a temple. We're full of a lot of temples, different types of Buddha.
So you pray to
For
this temple for this reason, that temple
Yeah,
for
yeah,
that
yeah.
reason.
for health,
Interesting.
for fortune, for money, for marriage, for
So what are you going to pray for today?
health.
Health?
Yeah, I want to find a Buddha to make you return to China again.
Find a Buddha to make me return to China again.
Yeah, but we don't need a cable car.
Yeah, because you have the shirt that's gonna make you strong today. Yeah.
It is rough. I'm a superpower.
Superpower.
I'm a Superman.
Superman.
Yeah.
Chinaman.
China man. Yeah, cool.
Apparently this is the beginning of the hike to the top. Yeah.
赤石山 here.
So out of all of my travels in Asia and seeing countless Buddha statues, that is the first time I've seen a Buddha statue that is split half and half. Buddha and what is the other half?
Evil.
Evil. Like what does this statue represent?
Half a people, human being, half a beast.
For what reason, do you know?
I don't know. But the characters here is that you should clean. I mean, you should focus on your mind. Forget all your desire, your natural things. Just focus on your mind. Just pure life. So I don't know the reason why it's connecting this way. I have no idea.
Take a bath.
Yeah.
What do you see?
This Buddha is control for the people dead.
People what?
Dead.
Oh, dead people.
Yeah. He controls the dead people. He makes people dead. This Buddha will help you to maybe the good wishes or something. But yeah, I can't carry my bag. This is a implied way.
Three times?
Yeah.
Is that significant? 3?
Yeah, 3.
Well, that turtle certainly has an interesting shaped head. We stopped to have a date. But you have tons of energy after eating an orange and many dates?
In fact, it make me want to sleep.
You don't sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're about halfway to the top. Maybe not quite half. Kind of a cool view.
He was an official in ancient China, so maybe I think from the 1,000 years ago, something like that. Very old tomb.
So Jethro was saying that they put this tomb here intentionally so the man can have a view for eternity.
Yeah.
Your friend, he's a professional hiker.
Yeah.
What about you?
I'm not.
How do you feel right now?
I did the power ages of Earth.
Jethro has officially started to die.
Yeah. I will die.
You're so tired?
Very tired.
有2只黑的狗。
Wow, you made it to the top.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
How could I survive?
You made it. You survived.
Yeah.
Now what?
Now we have ice cream and water.
Ice cream and water.
Yeah.
Do you want to see a snake
Well,
on the ground? It's a long snake.
oh my god, yeah. Oh.
He's inside here. Hello. You've been spotted. guy, go, go, go. We thought we made it to the top. Apparently, we can see you can go that way or you can go up this way. Judging by the shot from the drone, I think this way is going to be a little bit more dramatic. The drop off is more dramatic, but that side you can see more of the city. So I think we elected to go this way because of the drop off, but hopefully we don't get there and I'm wrong.
You made a decision.
I did. Do you like bubbles?
Yes.
Make one bubble. Make a big bubble. Oh. Oh wow. Yeah, those are big.
No guard.
Yeah. Can you catch the bubble again with the handle? Catch it?
Uh-oh.
Catch it.
No.
No.
Jump.
Or pop it. That's cool
Okay,
too.
yeah, down, yeah.
We thought we were done,
Oh my god.
but now a second hike.
Yeah.
Yeah. We started
I
down
need
there.
a rope.
Huh?
I need a rope.
Need a rope. Kind of a neat view. Don't get too close to this loose sand or I'd go for a long slide. It's like an interesting shot up here.
好，谢谢了啊。哎呀，多厉害啊！比我厉害多了。
So we're on our way back down. Do you feel that you got enough exercise today?
Yeah,
Huh?
enough exercise. You will show my watch that my girl will achieve.
He has on his iPhone watch, what is it called? iWatch?
Yeah,
An
Apple
iWatch?
Apple Watch.
Apple Watch.
Yeah.
His Apple Watch tells him how many steps he has taken and if he's achieved his goal or not.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think you achieved your goal today?
I will. Not now. Not yet.
How many steps is your goal?
I forget. Sometimes I achieve my goals twice. I mean, 3 times or something. Like
In a
that.
day.
Yeah.
He sets his goals really low.
No.
It's very steep on this hill. They almost fell twice. I almost fell once. How about you? There's
3
your.
times.
How many?
3 times.
3 times. Oh my gosh. Everybody is slipping. My camera says that this is level right here. So this gives you an idea about the angle. Wow. That's big.
Thanks. Uh-oh.
So we see a gazebo way up here on the top of that other mountain hill thing. We asked these guys behind us how to get there. They said, "Oh, go this way," but they said we're tourists, so but we don't know. And then as we were going this way, he flagged down a police officer on a motorcycle. He says, "No, no, no, go this way." So we're going this way. So we're walking through here. That's our destination. Over here is cool. It's kind of like a swamp. Are you tired?
It's much better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want me to carry you like that?
Yeah. Yeah.
No. So we made it to the gazebo, which would be nice to sit in the shade. Oh, just kidding. There's basically no shade. But it's still cool.
That's really cool place.
I agree. Yeah, so we've been here. There's this big bee that keeps chasing everyone. Doesn't hurt anyone, it just flies and smells your breath, and I think it likes Jethro because he's been drinking
No,
this.
but I put the waters there.
Oh.
There's no reactions at all, so not my problem, just because of you.
No, it hasn't even been hurt by me, it's just you guys.
But just walk around you.
And then he swung a stick at it, but broke the stick. That was fun. Yeah, the pieces are over here, but he missed.
Yeah,
You
right.
didn't.
Also here.
Yeah, you didn't get
Brave
it.
man.
No good. Try again. Where'd he go?
说的你去搬救兵去，我们赶紧离开这。
Oh, he's over here. Come, come. Yeah, even parts of the broom somehow came way down here from way up there. He hit it really, really hard. He really doesn't like bees. So we kind of worked our way down to this area. As you can see, the gazebo is way up there. We came all the way down here, and now we're just kind of walking back this way. Apparently there's a cable car. I think I showed you earlier. Yes, I did. And we're going to take the cable car down. Make a big bubble. Oh, that's a long one. Oh wow, you're gonna hit the lady. We're in 8F. So we made it in without any problems. You didn't slip and die.
I'm still alive.
Still alive. We walked a lot today. Really?
Under my goals 3 times I win.
Yeah. When you set your goal to 80 steps, you win a lot every day. Oh my God! You just set his goal so low, I think. So low. Anyway, that's it. What was your favorite part about today?
Maybe in the pavilion. You use your drone, fly the drone. Yeah, that is.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
I would say for me, it was fun when in the beginning, when we were going down the dirt road and everybody kept falling, like almost falling on their ass.
Okay.
I almost fell a couple times. You almost fell 3 times.
Yeah.
The others, he almost fell like twice in a row. It was crazy. Anyway, yeah. And this is pretty cool. I'd say maybe this one. This is pretty cool. Maybe if I have enough skill, I can fly the drone out of here and then come back in this window.
You can't.
Oh, I totally have enough skill to do it. I'm quite confident of that. But my battery's low, so I have like 40%, which is like 2 minutes. Anything else you want to say?
Nothing.
Okay, nothing. We are finished. Yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this crazy short video. That's pretty much it. But thank you all for watching, and remember what?
The time is running out. Start returning to China. Start traveling.
Start traveling.
Bye bye. I'm
Okay,
Jethro.